Okay. It was getting caught on all the other side walls. Alright, so they're not that bad. Alright, so it's really lightweight, easy to move around once you got it popped up. Which, once I understood that the pods, I'll show you those right here, for the centers were catching on each other, then it was not a problem. But it has a nice magnetic door. Which I'm still learning on how any of this works. Just all together just a second ago. Oh, it goes from the inside, I think. Yeah, that's what it is. It goes on the inside. Okay. Lots of openings. It's supposed to be silent slide. This is really thick. Like, I mean, surprisingly heavy duty. So you can latch those to the corners, kind of like a tent flap. So I'm gonna go outside and look and see what it looks like with this flap down. But got really good visibility. And this this canvas is the 300D, and it is very durable. I have an old school pop-up blind, and it's junk compared to the thickness on this. I would say that these hooks are, yeah, I guess I can do it with one hand, but not one hand friendly too much, but there'll be some good air to vent out. Let's see what that looks like though, letting light in from the outside if it's hot in here and these are open. So if you have the front window open, you definitely want the back shut, because otherwise you're going to see movement for sure. But this is nice and steep, so it's going to run any rain and maybe some light debris off of it. But really thick. I'm pretty happy about that. And then, well, I'll put some anchors on it. I'm gonna put some stakes and some tie downs out. And then I'll walk back pretty far too to see what it looks like from 20, 30 yards and 50 to 100 yards, and just see if it sticks out like a sore thumb or not. You have a buckle, you can make it tight if it's a windy day. Dead deer. So I have all the corners inside. There's loops down here for stakes. Those are all tied down. And I've got all these set out with stakes. It's really sturdy. I mean, it ain't going nowhere. It's extremely sturdy. As far as a pop-up blind goes, it's pretty amazing. And the tubes are really, really, really thick. They're not flimsy at all. Like, you don't feel like you're gonna break this thing. So they've got loops sewn in. So if you want to brush in your blind, that's pretty cool. It's already there, easy to attach. It goes all the way around. That's a nice touch right there. I don't think, oh yeah, there is. There's some down here too. Oh, that's awesome. Yeah, so you've got them. You can have 2 points of attachment if you are doing some twigs or tall grass or limbs with some leaves on it, whatever. Yeah, that's a nice touch. The front doesn't have a lower attachment, but it does have the top. So that's pretty cool. This is from 30 yards out. This is from 50 yards out. I'm standing in my creek. But here's where it goes up the mountainside right there. You got a nice little flat area.